What up? It's Matthew Msangati, the designer and developer, back with another video tutorial. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. This is part 2 of some sort of a mini series of working on a server. So in this video, we are going to upload something in a server. We're going to upload our first website and see when it runs and test it to see if it's running. If you are new or it's your first time, please consider subscribing to help me and also to help others, so to keep the information going. Okay, now what we're going to do, we are going to go to our file manager. Where is my file manager? Okay, go to our file manager. If you didn't watch the first part of this video, please check the link in the description and watch the first part where I explain in detail all about the server. So what we're gonna do, we want this folder public, and what we are going to do here, as I have told you, that if you have changed this index to something else, then the server won't recognize the entry point to your website. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna modify it to, let me just write here to. Why am I modifying it? Because I want to upload a different file that will be a entry to my own application so that I can see it running. So as you can see, I've got XAMPP running locally, and also I have got this some sort of a form that is part of a course that I'm doing, or a series 5-minute PHP. Also, if you want to know more about PHP, you are still new, you don't have a lot of knowledge about it, I've got a very basic course for beginners. It's 5-minute PHP. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this file from being local 5-minute PHP, and then we're going to upload it into a server and let it run in a server. What it basically does, it take whatever that you put here and it displays it here, and basically that's it. So let's just go to, this is 5-minute PHP folder, and this is the file, it's indexed. So we are going to go to our server file, and we're going to upload. Click in. Okay, what we want to do, we want to upload, this is direct admin. Okay, let me just check. I think it was here, not download, upload. Okay, do I have my copy? Okay, maybe I have selected something. Let me just refresh. I'm just looking for an upload button, and that's it. Obviously I'm used to cPanel, which is this one is direct admin. Create a folder, create a text, upload a file. Okay, let's use this button. But I think maybe I'm used to cPanel, where you can also see upload here. Okay, that's nothing to write a story about. Let's just upload from here, and then you can drag and drop a file. Let's drag and drop this index file. Okay, upload. Now we've got index file here. Okay, as you can see that before, in this domain, there is this app. Also, this is an app that me and my friend, we are busy coming up with. The mission behind this app is to take down Spotify. As you can see that this is a music app. If you want to know more about it, how I've built it, and also the user interface design, please check the link in the description below. So this is what was here before the modification. So if you want to see the changes, let's just click refresh and see the changes. As you can see, now it's running, but it's running on a server, and it does exact same thing that it was doing locally. Otherwise, for me, that is it. I'm Matthew Msangati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this has added value in your overall understanding of PHP and also the server in general, please consider subscribing. Also, if you've got any question that relates to a server or PHP or jQuery or HTML or even graphic design, because I've got a lot of experience as a graphic designer, please consider subscribing. So let's just go to my channel and I will show you some of the playlists that are there in object-oriented programming and also real-life applications, so that you can click there also to expand your knowledge. So this is my channel, Coded Design. So please consider subscribing. Otherwise, for me, thank you so much.